Hey guys, today to show you this how to install a 1 gang switch or 2 gang outlet. Get ready to go. Okay, so first step you need, and this is a tight set screw. Connect the wires and then connect 2 wires inside and then twist the properly the wires is connected. Okay, so first step you need, and then you tight your set screws and then just tight your set screws and don't over tight the set screws. There you go. So next thing to then tight your tight 2 wires is connect. Then and don't little tight your screw into other side over here. Okay, so tight your set screw. Okay, I get ready to go. Okay, so next thing do, and then take my screws inside. Okay, so next thing do, and then put your screw and screw the electrical box. So next, and then tight the screw. Okay, take my drill and then take the drill here. Okay, and then take the set screws. Okay, so next thing to do, and also take your screws here and tight. And that's tight the set screws. Okay, so next thing to do, take the drill here, get it tight. Okay, so next thing to do, and then take your screws in the Phillips head and then tight. Okay, so do this just straight. Okay, so now let's turn the power back on. Okay, let's plug it on. Okay, let's turn them on. Okay, turn the light on. Okay. Okay, turn them on, off. Okay. There you go. Okay, so there's installed this a 2 gang and 1 gang switch, and see you next time.